Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best mini electric drill is probably one of the most essential tools for jewelry makers who want to achieve intricate designs and precise work, offering versatility and efficiency in various jewelry making tasks, from drilling small holes in metal and gemstones to shaping and polishing delicate pieces, ultimately enhancing your creative process and the overall quality of your handcrafted jewelry. Number 5. Uolor Electric Hand Drill Kit. Say goodbye to tedious manual drilling. This electric hand drill is your new best friend for all your crafting needs. It's faster, more efficient, and gives you much more precise results. These aren't your average drill bits. Made from high-speed steel with cobalt, they're incredibly durable and reusable, perfect for wood, resin, plastic, and more. Just remember, they're not suitable for extremely hard materials. Everything you need is right here. The kit includes 17 drill bits, 10 collets, and 200 screw-eye pins. You'll be ready to tackle any project. Take control of your drilling speed. It offers stepless speed adjustment from 3,000 to 20,000 RPM, ensuring precision for every task. Simply adjust the knob to find the perfect speed. This lightweight, pen-like design fits comfortably in your hand, providing excellent control and reducing hand fatigue. It's perfect for detailed work. Unleash your creativity. It's ideal for jewelry making, resin crafts, and countless other DIY projects. The possibilities are endless. What we like? It boasts a wide speed range and comes with a large variety of drill bits and other useful accessories. If you need to drill various materials and have many projects, this is the best choice for you. Its versatility makes it perfect for all your jewelry making needs, saving you time and money on extra tools. What people say. Works well for the work I use it for, and that is simply working on small-scale models and light materials. Love this drill. My Dremel is so bulky and a pain to use, but this one fits so nicely in my hand and I feel like I have better control of where I'm drilling. I like the variety of drill bits and collets, though sometimes I have a hard time finding the right collet size. It's so easy to change the collets and bits. Petite Perceuse pour façonner de bijoux. CA fonction très bien pour moi. Number 4. Electric Resin Drill Set. This amazing set makes resin jewelry making a breeze. It's perfect for creating intricate designs with ease and precision. Say goodbye to tedious hand drilling. This power tool makes quick work of creating small, precise holes in resin and other soft materials. It comes with 8 different drill bits, ranging from 0.8 mm to 1.2 mm, giving you the perfect size for any project. You'll be ready for any crafting challenge. The drill bits are made from high-speed steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. They're built to withstand repeated use for all your crafting needs. Simply connect it to a power source, choose your bit, and start drilling. It's that simple. Even beginners can create professional-looking results. This set includes everything you need to get started. Besides the drill and bits, you'll receive key rings, screw-eye pins, and jump rings, all in gold and silver. What we like? This electric drill is designed for resin jewelry making and offers a powerful motor for smooth operation. If you're looking for an efficient way to create resin jewelry, this kit is perfect for you. It comes with everything you need to get started, including extra key rings and screw-eye pins. What people say. I use this drill to drill holes in UV resin, and it works great. It comes with an assortment of different size drill bits, which is helpful. I use it all the time to drill into shells and have never cracked one while using this tool. This product is amazing. I have used this tool to put holes in quite a few small toys to add little eye screws to them to make them keychains and Christmas ornaments. Works like it is supposed to, very easy to handle and drill holes. Number 3. YASPIT Electric Resin Drill Set. This kit includes everything you need to create beautiful resin jewelry. It comes with an electric hand drill, a non-slip mat, drill bits, and a variety of keychain supplies. It's more efficient and precise than a manual drill. Simply insert the drill bit, tighten the chuck, and you're ready to go. This vise securely holds your resin pieces while you drill, glue, or sculpt. It features soft rubber screws to protect your work. You'll receive 210 pieces including screw-eye pins, jump rings, and key rings in gold and silver. Plenty to create many keychains and jewelry. All the accessories are neatly packed in a plastic storage box, keeping everything organized and easy to find. The drill bits are durable and long-lasting. With this complete kit, you have all the tools and supplies you need to unleash your creativity and make stunning resin crafts. What we like. This kit includes an upgraded vise with soft rubber screws to protect your work and a large number of extra supplies. If you value a secure grip and need a wide range of extra materials for your projects, this is the kit for you. It's perfect for those who want to create a variety of jewelry and keychains. What people say. I was so not expecting good results once I saw how small the drill and its tiny drill bits are. But I was not only able to drill into my epoxy resin project, but I was also able to use the bit to make the hole larger. This tiny drill and vise are perfect for making jewelry. I put the rubber heads on the vise and no wiggling. Perfect size for jewelry. The vise works very good. Number 2. WOWSTICK Drill 11-in-1. This innovative mini electric drill is designed for precision and ease of use. Its pen-like design makes it comfortable to hold and control, unlike other bulky drills. The unique pen cap design completely covers the drill bit when not in use, ensuring safety and comfort. This is a significant improvement over other models. It boasts a robust, all-metal gearbox and 8 high-quality drill bits. This ensures efficient and reliable performance for various micro-drilling tasks. With 8 hardened steel bits ranging from 0.8 mm to 2.2 mm, it's ready for any project. The high-speed motor, 420 or min plus or minus 10%, ensures quick and efficient drilling. It's perfect for countless DIY projects. Use it on wood, resin, jewelry, and more. Its compact size makes it ideal for intricate work. It features a convenient Type-C charging port for quick and easy charging. The lithium battery provides efficient and long-lasting power. What we like. This cordless, pen-style drill is incredibly easy to use and offers precise control. If you prioritize convenience and portability, this is the ideal choice. Its compact design and one-touch control make it perfect for intricate jewelry-making tasks. What people say. The tool is solidly constructed with a weighty but compact design. The torque is sufficient to drill most hard plastics and some wood without catching or snagging. The bits are sturdy and have not broken after a month of regular use. The battery charge has been very good and it charges quickly, usually within 30 minutes for enough power to resume work. It is amazing how long it holds a charge. I have not had to charge it for drilling out an entire 2,000-point army's worth of barrels, pinning, and etc. Number 1. Mr. Pen Hand Drill. This versatile hand drill is perfect for intricate work. It's easy to use and delivers superior performance. You'll receive 1 aluminum alloy hand drill and 10 hardened stainless steel drill bits. These bits range in size from 0.6 mm to 3.0 mm. Changing bits is a breeze. Simply rotate the head to securely clamp the drill bit in place. It's ideal for working with wood, plastic, beeswax, and small model kits. It's not suitable for metal. It provides precise holes every time. The anti-slip grip and comfortable swivel head make it perfect for DIY projects. Its compact size and precision make it perfect for jewelry making and resin work. Create beautiful, detailed pieces with ease. Watch how easily it creates precise holes in various materials. See the quality and precision for yourself. What we like. This manual drill offers precise control at an affordable price. If you prefer a manual option for fine detail work and are on a budget, this is a great option. It's perfect for smaller projects where precise control is key. What people say. This product is very straightforward. The bits come in a little plastic case. I wanted a tiny hand drill to make holes in small wooden sticks for crafts, and these worked perfectly. Both the drill body and bits seem sturdy enough. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.